It's been 2 weeks of doing my moisture routine and it's finally time to wash my hair. I know at this point my hair is screaming for a wash day, so I'm going to be doing a full wash day routine. I'm going to be showing you my treatment, my techniques, everything I'm doing in my wash day routine, and most importantly, my moisture, how I retain moisture. So keep watching for that. I'm just putting it out there that my braids are so humbling. Like for someone that have fine hair, putting my hair in braids is something I do not want to do, but I have to do it for length retention. So this is how my braids are looking now. I only do my moisture routine for 2 weeks because I didn't want to do so much on my hair and to get my hair frizzy. If you want to check out the hairstyle I have on my channel, you can check it out. Such a beautiful hairstyle. So the situation perfect for your natural hair and it was easy to take out. You can watch the video of that, how I made my hair. So one thing I try to make sure I do is not to lack moisture in my routine, because that's one product I use for my moisture, down to my shampoo, which is an oil shampoo. It's a moisturizing shampoo. It doesn't contain sulfate, perfect for moisture, perfect for high porosity hair. If you have sensitive hair and don't want to strip your hair of its moisture, I'll definitely recommend this shampoo. It gets your hair clean and very nice and focus on the scalp of your hair and also the strands of your hair. It's very important so that you give a good environment for hair growth. Then go ahead to focus on the length of your hair. The reason why I recommend this shampoo is because you need to have a moisturizing shampoo in your routine, whether you like it. Clarifying shampoo is very good for your hair because your wash day routine and not to be regular. So go for a moisturizing shampoo so it doesn't leave your hair feeling dry. And when it comes to wash day, I always preach that it should be done twice in a month. But I didn't do this because my hair was always frizzy and I washed my hair once this month. I would not recommend it. I make sure you wash your hair once every week, like it's very important. So next thing I go in with my treatment, I do this once a month. So this is the aloe vera rosemary water. Like this is, if you're trying to grow your hair, you're trying to strengthen your hair, I definitely recommend you using the aloe vera and clove water. I have a video on my channel where I showed you how to make it, so you can definitely check it out. I'll leave it in the description box. So yeah, make sure you wash your hair. Like I can never overemphasize the importance of washing your hair, moisturizing your hair, and using lightweight products before your next wash day. After washing your hair, rinse out that shampoo. The next step of the treatment is, like, I like to go in with my tea rinse. Like I said earlier, it contains fenugreek, hibiscus, rosemary, and cloves, and all of those helps. It helps to moisturize your hair, strengthen and reduce hair loss. I have to pair that with a deep conditioner. I use this with my mega growth conditioner, but in this video I just use it alone. Absolutely love it. And because it helps my hair to, it makes my hair to grow faster, and together can be the best step to make your wash day straight to the point, which is very important. Reason why I paired this with this product, because I love it. So the next thing I'm going to go in with is my moisture routine. Like I have a lot of videos on moisture routine. Like you can never go wrong using, like, doing your moisture routine. So it's important you do this. So I do this twice every week or once every week. So yeah, so after washing your hair, it's important you moisturize your hair, because just putting your hair dry hair breaks. I remember when I was much younger and I used to do protective hairstyle, like I do braids with my natural hair with extension. This one I use extension. And then when I loosen it and I'm combing out my hair in this dry state, I'll notice all my hairs are breaking. I'm like, oh my god, what am I doing? And then I realized that obviously my hair is dry, my hair is going to break. So anytime you want to manipulate your hair, make sure you're using water. Like you can never go wrong using water. Water is your best form of moisture. Like if you don't have conditioner, you can always have water. Water is everywhere, like it's everywhere. So yeah, if you're a lazy natural and you're looking for the best form of moisture, water is your best bet. Like you can never go wrong doing that. So even if you're trying to loosen your hair, make sure you put water on your hair. If you're trying to make your hair, make sure you put water on your hair. If you're trying to style your hair, make sure you put water on your hair. Like you can never go wrong doing this. So after that, I always go in with my Cantu leave-in conditioner. You can never go wrong using a conditioner. Like I remember when I was much younger, well, I did never knew what was the conditioner then. I don't think there was a product like that. But now conditioners are everywhere. You can go to a supermarket and get it from like a store. So the living conditioner I use is the Cantu living conditioner. Like I have a lot of um bottles of conditioners I've used. Like Cantu, you come and sponsor your girl. Like I'm a die have fan. I use your product a lot. So yeah, after I go with my leave-in conditioner, I go in with my moisture routine. So I also deep condition my hair. So I use this product, the Maya Maya Organics. I do this once every month. So the reason why I do this here because I noticed that my hair is low porosity hair, which means it takes time to absorb the product. Like products, if I put products in my hair, it takes a lot of time for it to get into my roots. So I noticed that doing deep conditioning helps like my course pattern to be better. So I do this once a month. The way I apply it to the length of my hair, and I make sure I use water too, so that the products can apply for easy application. And then I go with my heat cap. This was the turning point in my hair journey because I started using heat cap, and I noticed a lot of difference. Like if you want your products to get into your strand faster, instead of just keeping your hair and waiting for like 1 hour, you can do this in under 20 minutes, and then you're done. So it makes the whole hair process easier because imagine you staying for 1 hour and just doing nothing, waiting for your hair to get the products to get into your hair. Ever since I discovered this heat cap, it's been saving my life. Like literally, I'd get my wash day done, let's say 1 hour, but before, let's say 2 hours, I'm still washing my hair. I'm like, guy, what's going on? But yeah, the person that invented this innovation of heat cap, kudos to you. Like you're a real one. Thanks for putting all the natural jellies on it, and I love it. So yeah, so the reason why I do this deep conditioning, it helps to strengthen my hair, it helps to define my curl patterns. Like my curl patterns is giving all them American girlies hair. You know how curly and very healthy their hair is. If you're looking for that, you should definitely use deep conditioning. Like never skip your deep conditioning days. It's very important. So I keep this for 20 minutes, like max 20 minutes, and I'm done. And I'll be showing you guys how my curl patterns were looking after this. Like guys, my curl patterns were giving, like it was giving natural hair girly, like like newborn baby. You know how newborn baby hair, their very hair is very coily. That's what it was giving. Like guys, you can see how soft my hair is. Like you can never go wrong doing deep conditioning. So I'll definitely recommend it. And if you're looking for a product to use, Maya Maya organic products are there for you. So yeah, after that, I always go in with my living conditioner, like my Cantu living conditioner. So the way I apply it to the length of my hair, just the length, because obviously I don't want product build up on my hair. You know, if you put too much product on your scalp, it can prevent growth. You know how people will say, "Oh, if your hair is dirty, that means your hair is growing." That means should stop. Like Nigerians, they like saying that thing. Like it doesn't even make sense because obviously your hair is full of dirt. Definitely it cannot new hair growth cannot come out from there because dirt is already there. So it's important that you wash your scalp and you clean and with clean scalp your hair tends to grow better. And just take your hair as a plant. You know how plants they grow better when they are being watered. Yes, you need to water your hair. Like if you want your hair to grow very fast, water is your best bet, especially if you're natural hair and you have low porosity hair. So the next thing I go in with is my virgin hair fertilizer. I've talked a lot about this on my channel. If you're if you have dandruff on your hair and you're trying to remove that, definitely use this on your scalp. So the way I apply it to the scalp of my hair and I massage it into my scalp. You know how you take all the mint sweets, mint chewing gum, you know that feeling it gives in your mouth. That's the same feeling you get on your hair. Just imagine it on your hair. Like guys, it's holy grail. Like you'll be feeling on cloud nine because obviously it's a form of it's therapeutical and it helps relax. If you're trying to relax, you definitely apply this on your hair. Like everywhere, your hair will be giving mint. I like that mental feeling. And obviously, when you're applying, make sure you're doing your scalp massage. You know how scalp massage tends to grow your hair. It gives you some form of um then the next thing I go in with is my Jamaican castor oil. Like if you're trying to grow your edges, you're trying to get thicker hair, I would definitely recommend this oil. Is holy grail. So the way I apply it to my edges and also to the length of my hair. Is a very thick oil. Like it seals in moisture for days, like 3 days. I came up, I still touched my hair and I still felt for form of water on my hair. Like literally, you can never go wrong using this. So after that, You're just doing your massage, and it's important you do the LOC method, which is liquid, oil, and cream. So the first step is your leave-in conditioner, which I did earlier. Then I go in with my Cantu leave-in conditioner and apply to my scalp, and I avoid product build up. Because long-term protective hairstyle, you need to keep your scalp clean, and putting thick products on your hair is going to obviously prevent your hair growing out. So it's important you just do your LOC method, and then like the powerful help that I talked about earlier, it helps to strengthen your hair, reduce hair loss, and also stop breakage. That's all good stuff. I would say if you watch the video, you know that. So after that, I go in my shea butter. This is a very thick butter. It seals in moisture also, like for days. You can get it from any supermarket or market. Just tell them you're looking for shea butter. This is a Nigerian African butter, but you can get it anywhere in the world. Like just go to a supermarket and ask them about it. So the way I apply it to the length of my hair and also the ends of my hair. Guys, don't forget the ends of your hair. Like those are the weakest parts of your hair. So they need all the love and care. You know how your hair grows from your scalp out. If you're not taking care of the old hair, you're not going to grow hair, because obviously those are old hair and you still need them on your scalp. So it's important you take care of them. So yeah, after that I just go in with my normal routine. So it's important you do this, like I said earlier, once every month or once every week, especially your moisture routine. You should do it once every week. And after that, I showed you guys how I use my shea butter. Can you see the curl pattern of my hair? Like it's giving baby girl. So after that, I do a quick scalp massage in my hair. And it's very important. I don't apply this directly to my scalp. Like I said earlier, I apply it to the ends of my hair, and trust me, it really locks in the moisture. My moisture stays moisturized for days. So once I'm done with my moisture routine, I always make sure to pack my hair back into a bund or chuku, so that my hair is not everywhere and rubbing on every s- um pro- clothes. So just to make sure your hair is in one place. So I always plait my hair. This has helped my hair to grow better, and I've retained a lot of hair doing this method. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. One thing I would say is I love about my routine is that it's very simple and easy to follow. And I've been doing this routine for, let's say, 2 years now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.